10 yet? Do you have it yet? 3-0 win that. 80 my Rolex, right back to being hero coming out. I'm black again, so the win.
We really out here. What is it? It's officially 3.5 hours before the concert. I'm here. What are you thinking, Bobby? Okay, now I'm here. We're about to go see. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna sneak into this Kendrick concert. I got the hookup. I got my boy Felipe Conjolio III. He's gonna get us into the concert. It's good. This guy knows him.
Beethoven. He's a philanthropist.
Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rap on how I'm slinging crack or moon cocaine. This is cul-de-sac and plenty cognac and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that weighing on your brain. It was me, El Boogie. Yeah,
me and Bobby rolled up on the scene. We're gonna try and sneak into this Kendrick concert. We're gonna do it.
We got this.
He got a cup.
All right, so there's a hole in the fence. All right.
Look at all these flags. It's America. This is America.
We just made it on the other side of the fence. We made it. We found this paper and we got us in here. It got us in there.
We're fucking.
We did it.
Bobby's about to take my career real quick. Bitch. Process. We stumbled upon Coachella and we bought these expensive $30 hats. But it's a process. We're about to go
Coachella right
Coachella
now.
2018.
Fucking 20.
These streets is Jurassic cows, get asthmatic astronauts hover throughout the atmosphere. That's the ghetto bird, pull up on the curb. What's up, homie? Smoke a nigga.
Because I got that YouTube revenue, we've been sitting. We're sitting first class. We're sitting around the front.
71 subscribers.
Please take your seats. The performance will begin in 5 minutes.
You fucking liar.
Look at this time. It's 7:30.
5 minutes.
Oh, you see?
And now, Top Dog Entertainment presents the champ from Carson, California, Soul.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go. Kick your game. Kick your floor. Hey. I said kick. Big money, big booty bitches, man. That shit gon' be death for me. Big brothers, that shit gon' be death for me. I pray to a C note. My mama gave a pope, I can't stand myself. I just bought a new coat, I might go broke, I can't stand myself. Big money, big booty bitches, man, that shit. Hey, y'all know this shit, let's sing this shit, yo. Austin, what? I just might ban myself. I just hands up. Focus feeling, cause my eyes beat her. Focus feeling, cause my eyes beat her.
Oh damn! I've never been so excited in one point in my life.
This your favorite song. Translation,
Alright, me and Bobby, we're knees deep in this, we're balls deep.
You know what's gonna happen. We already know what's gonna happen.
We already know what's gonna happen.
They got the hype, man. They're really hyping it up. They
Bunch of fucking bass.
Their bass is boosted it. We're gonna figure out what Papa Kendrick's gonna do for us today. What is he gonna do? What do you think he's gonna do, Bobby?
He's gonna be my father. And I'm gonna come all over his fucking nipple.
Big in the wilderness with a sworn nemesis, your main king. Take it back to home. Let me show you some. Whoa, whoa. I rules and grips, all got along. They probably got me down by the end of the song. Sing like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I get
If I rules and grips, all got along. They probably got me down by the end of the song. Sing
third one.
Oh, we really lighting up the stadium, Bobby. What are you doing?
I got my third one. I got you.
Right now, I ain't seen y'all in a long motherfucking time. We're gonna make sure this is a good one. We got the perfect energy going on. We got the perfect rhythm. We got the perfect motherfucking vibe. But most importantly,
I got 3 motherfucking phones.
we got love.
There's nobody.
Hold up.
So give me a run for my money.
Sing.
Feeling lovely, feeling lovely.
Sing.
Feeling lovely.
Hold up.
It's probably gonna sin again.
Hey.
Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Sing.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Hey.
I can feel that energy from 2 planets away. I got my drinks, I got my music. I was sharing with the city. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Me and Bobby, we made it.
Penis.
We lost our voices.
Penis.
We sound like a 6-year smoke addict. But there's the famous stage where it all happened. We did it. Bro, they were right. Oh man, it happened. My tips went, but I gotta go home. It's past my bedtime. What is it, 11? It was a 3.5-hour
That motherfucker was playing drums right there.
No way. Bobby got a ginormous pretzel for his big old mouth. We finally did. We made it. I'm a little sweaty boy.
Just like a dick.
And we're here. There's a tree. I love life. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Goodbye.
So if I want to do that, first I gotta throw this little boy on the ground. I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna change it.